How to calculate pi? Pi is an interesting number and it seems to be getting everywhere, and its value is an irrational number 3.1416, and it keeps on going forever. It doesn't end. That's the reason irrational numbers cannot be expressed as the numerator divided by denominator. For example, if a number stops 3.1416, that is the value of a pi, for example, hypothetically, then you can remove the dot and you can write 31416 upon 10,000. You can write that it's a numerator divided by denominator. But with pi you cannot do that because the number keeps on going forever, 3.1416, and it keeps on going. So you never reach an ending number. If you never reach an ending number, you don't get a numerator divided by denominator. So irrational number cannot be expressed as a numerator divided by denominator. But how did we calculate pi? The answer is we did not, but we keep on fine tuning ourselves and we found out that it's actually pi, an irrational number. Now you take a circle, okay, and you circle and you cut the circle and make it like a length. You measure it, okay, and while you measure, you get some number digit. You get, for example, 22, and when you make it again circle, you measure the diameter. Both those things you can measure. You divide the circumference of the circle, this is the length of the circle, divided by denominator. Diameter would be something like 7, and you get answer as 22 upon 7. And diameter can be written as 2 multiplied by radius. Circumference is here, 2r goes there. You get circumference is equal to 22 upon 7 multiplied by 2r. That is the formula of a circumference. We did not invent the formula for a circumference. We just divided the circumference by denominator. We got a number, and that number became a constant. And mind you, 22 upon 7 is not pi, because if it is expressed in the numerator upon denominator, it's not pi, it's a rational number. So we got 22 upon 7, but someone else came and measured precisely what is the length of the uh, what you say circumference of the circle, and they got 22.134, and they divided by 7. They got some 3.34, some big number, but it was still a rational number. They keep on fine tuning it, keep on fine tuning, and then they realize that no matter how much fine tuning we do, we can keep on going forever and ever, because we cannot express it as a numerator denominator. It's an irrational number, and we give it enough name. We have to give some name, make a delicious name, pi. And the beauty of pi is, in all the mathematical equation, in the physics and the science of it, we keep on finding pi in many places. That's why pi is such a significant constant in our lives. Okay, that's how you find pi, that's how you calculate pi. But in technically we cannot calculate precisely, because if you get some number as numerator by denominator, it's a rational number, it's not pi. It's closer to pi, it's not pi. It's very difficult to calculate pi, okay, but we know it's pi. 3.1416 goes on parallel. See you next time.